Does Wealthy Affiliate make money, and how much can you actually make with the skills that are taught on Wealthy Affiliate? So let me just answer that question. First of all, Wealthy Affiliate definitely works. Otherwise, we wouldn't be doing it. No one would be on the platform. It makes money, obviously. If you log into their website here, you see they have tons and tons of classes. There's training, and there's tools and softwares to help you find a niche and to help you do SEO research. It definitely works, and the amount of money you can make with Wealthy Affiliate is basically, there's no limit. It depends on the work that you do. So there are tons and tons of success stories of people who use Wealthy Affiliate to make six figures, even people who've made seven figures. So there is tons of money. Of course, I'm not promising anything. Everyone's rate is going to be different. Some people take a year or two before they start making a decent amount of money. There are always going to be people who achieve significant success much faster. So there are people who've literally made thousands and thousands of dollars per month within the year of starting. So yes, Wealthy Affiliate definitely works. You can make tons and tons of money if you put in the work and if you stay consistent. The only case in which the skills taught on Wealthy Affiliate wouldn't work for you, in my opinion, are if you give up too soon and you stop actually posting content. So I hope that answers your question. You can make five figures, six figures, or even seven figures per year using the skills on Wealthy Affiliate. It just fully depends on the work that you put in. If you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, you can sign up using the link in the description. There's no credit card required. Now, if you're wondering how long it could take you realistically to make money with Wealthy Affiliate, then click this video showing up on your screen.